Hi guys! Last time we made this flower design with 2.5 cm gross grain ribbon. Today, by request, we're recreating it using satin. In this tutorial, we're using satin ribbon that's 3.8 cm wide and 60 cm long. First, we will heat seal the ribbon ends so they won't fray. Now we will start making our flower. To create the ruffled style, we'll fold the ribbon. I'm using 1 cm folds, but feel free to adjust, make them smaller or bigger based on your preferences. Grab your needle and thread, we will start sewing. Now gently pull the thread to gather the ribbon. I'm adding a rhinestone as the centerpiece, but you can use any embellishment you like or have on hand. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft.